pushing into it. Oh,
Hello.
It's being like, do you want to here?
My name is
here,
Milter.
And I'll sit here.
And
You sit
welcome
right like this.
to the Fart Sounds instructional video,
Recording. Oh,
tape 1. No one is ready.
We had to get in position.
Hello.
Start that again.
Okay, we're starting again. You guys,
We're
we're starting again. Tina, sit. All right.
I'm not gonna say you're
Hello.
Oh.
Margot speaks in the third person.
Hello, and welcome. I get that wrong every time. Hello, my name is Milter. Welcome to the Fart Sounds instructional video. I am here with Tina Fabrique.
Hi.
And Margot Saint Montaigne. We are here to teach you about.
Seriously, about.
We'll take it back. We'll cut it again.
Fucking Christ.
Go
Sorry,
back. Go back to 1.
Okay.
We are here to teach you about fart sounds. Mm-hmm. That sounded weird.
Again.
I'm getting.
Do you want me to say it?
No. Back to 1.
Okay, 1.
We are here to teach you about why are you not in the frame?
I'm back.
Okay,
Back
ready?
to 1.
Margot's
Okay,
here.
back to 1.
Margot's here.
We are here to teach you about fart sounds. Step 1. Your basic fart sound. Margot, will you please demonstrate a basic fart sound?
Margot, go.
I will protrude. First, lick. Then, attack.
Basic.
Please note the swiftness with which the fart was created. Margot, would you please demonstrate for us at home again?
First, lick. Then, attack.
Notice how quickly that happened. Next, Tina Fabrique, who is not named after the actress,
No.
will demonstrate the second level of fart sounds, entitled The Cosmic Fart. Tina. Notice her intense licking. Very good, Tina. Please show us again. Notice the intense licking. And now. Notice how great that sound sounded. How much like a fart it sounded. Sounded.
Like.
Sounded. Did I say sounded?
Sound.
Back to 1. Notice how great that fart sounded.
Like. A fart.
Like a fart.
Okay, back to 1.
Back to 1. Notice how great that fart sounded like a fart. And now we will move on. I know this video is going very quickly for you. I know it must be hard. But
There will be a recap.
there will be a
and an
recap
exam.
at the end. It
And
will
an
be quick.
exam.
Now, get ready.
Ooh.
This is called the Booty Blaster.
The Booty Blaster.
There were 2 levels. Watch as he attempts 3. Oh, there was 4.
There was 4. The achievement. Achievement happened.
Gotta keep that arm warm.
Achievement.
Now, for a recap.
Mm-hmm.
Monique.
Margot.
Margot.
Get it right.
What's your name?
Back
Oh,
to
God,
1.
you're right.
Back to 1.
Back to 1. Margot.
For 1.
1.
God damn it,
Back to
Margot.
1. Margot.
Back to 1, Margot! Swear to God, you are not getting your
Back to
twisty
1.
cone after this. You are not getting your twisty
1.
cone.
Just get back to 1.
1. First, the basic.
First, the lick. Then, the attack.
Nice and short.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Tina, for number 2, the cosmic fart.
Intense licking.
Notice the intense licking.
Notice the intense licking. Solid and multi-level.
Right.
And now, for the 3rd level, entitled The Booty Blaster.
Going back to 1.
Oh, I'm back to one. Oh, back to one. We really hope you enjoyed our video and you learned a lot. Back to one. We really hope you enjoyed our video and learned a lot from what we have taught you. Intense licking, atomic farting. Learn. Oh, sorry, attack.
Don't forget
back to
the attack.
one. Thanks for watching our video. We really hope you learned a lot.